Last to talk challenge.
I don't know what you're trying to say.
Fess up and tell me the truth, little girl.
Good morning, Toa Squad. Thanks for joining the Ohana Adventure. We're so excited that you're gonna be joining us today because I have something amazing. Look how big this is. It's as big as my head. Full on, like wider than my head. It's like crazy. Anyways, I have kept this in the closet because the kids love chocolate and they like snuck and ate all the other Hershey Kisses that we had, the big ones at Christmas. And so this challenge today, it's gonna be awesome because somebody's gonna win this massive chocolate Hershey Kiss. So first, let's see if anyone notices. I'm gonna go get myself a cup of water. Hey, don't touch my chocolate. Don't touch my chocolate. Hey everybody, today we're gonna play a game. There's been a lot of like crazy going on and I wonder who can last. All right, we're gonna see who wants this bad enough.
Me.
Who do you think can do a last to talk challenge? What? Here it is. If they want to win the ultimate Hershey Kiss, they have to be the last to talk. So we're gonna go as long as it takes, no talking. We're gonna play challenges and games and shop and who knows what today. And whoever is the last to talk will win the ultimate Hershey Kiss. Yes! In 5 seconds, we're gonna start. Get all your talking out now. 1. Okay. There's no talking, no humming, no moaning, no noises, no buzzing, no clicking, no anything. Or else you don't get the Hershey Kiss. Oh, it's already begun. Someone's trying to pester the other person out. Clay's got really long legs, Shay. Okay, do your chores, everybody. Do your chores. Get your stuff done, but if I hear talking, you. Ew. Oh, Evie's out! She left! Evie left! She full on bit my finger when I went to say no. Evie is out already. Evie, I'll give you a runner-up one. You get your very own milk chocolate Ghirardelli. Well, if you want to talk too, you can have a little piece of chocolate too. Oh, give it to me. No taking. Let's see who's gonna last this challenge. The ultimate Hershey Kiss is here.
I already lost it. I gave up on you.
Evie, put this away. Okay, chore time. Oh, Clay looks like she's sleeping. Uh-oh.
She doesn't want to talk.
Is she gonna think she's gonna get out of it without talking? Oh, cuddle time. Here comes another one. Oh, does somebody want to say something? What time is it? It's E. Oh, Cora's got her chore list all checked off. Good job, Cora. Go and clean your room. Oh, nope. No phones. No phones. No, you can't be texting anybody. You can't be texting anybody. Is it the Chick-fil-A delivery boy? No, you can't text anybody. No more phones. Let's see who's on the back of Clay's phone. Ah! No. What time? E. What time, Evie? What time is her appointment?
What time is my appointment?
It's at night. 8.
For an hour.
Ding, ding, ding! It's time for challenge number 1!
What's challenge number 1?
Everybody in here in the living room! Our first challenge is gymnastics. And whoever loses this challenge gets to do the sad loss away from the Hershey Kiss.
Wyatt, you're gonna have to perform a double leapfrog, somersault, turn to a cartwheel. Ready? Go. Double leapfrog, somersault. Oh, and cartwheel. Clay is going to get round off back handspring, double tuck into a splits. What is that? Back handspring. Tuck, double tuck. Okay, she's tucking something. Okay, come on. Tuck, tuck, tuck and roll, tuck and roll. Toe touch, somersault, somersault, somersault. And with a turtle whale flip. Oh, very good, very good. Raquel is up, ready. You need to do double round off, split front handspring, end in a secret turtle roll. Oh my, she did it! That was like a front walkover. And a turtle roll. What is that? That's not a turtle roll. That is not a turtle roll.
I give you a 10.
We want a triple monster crunch, snap into a cartwheel, split. One. Was that a toot or was that a squeal? Cartwheel, cartwheel to a split, and with a something roll. I don't know how I feel about this. Looks like a dead man roll. Evie gets to decide who is our winners and who is the loser that will lose this competition. Evie is my talking companion. Who do you think did not perform what they were asked to do?
I don't know.
I think it's Shay. Shay lost his gymnastics challenge and he squeak-tooted. He is out of the game. Let's have snack time. And if you can act out what kind of snack you want, you can get it. She wants an orange. What does she want? Shay, you're supposed to guess.
Oh.
A drink.
Naked juice.
Okay, Wyatt. He wants a gorilla.
A monkey.
A monkey.
A banana.
You may have a banana. She wants to see. Evie, really? You're letting her have bubble gum? Fine, Cora may have bubble gum. A big bowl.
Why look on the side of that banana? It is blue.
A red.
A donut.
Sure, you can have a donut.
Johnny? Johnny? Yes, Papa?
Naughty.
Naughty? Naughty Johnny? Johnny, 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 whoop. No, not that game.
Johnny,
Eat.
Papa,
Eat. Eat. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. I want to buy some sugar, Papa. I don't know what you're trying to say.
Telling lies? No, Papa. What is this? What are we doing here? Open wide. Is that what you wanted to do? Really, that whole thing? Why am I supposed to see? I'm so confused. Oh, did you organize the floor?
My purses are not in rainbow order. Red, yellow, orange, green, blue, purple. Oh, my travel bags are there.
No, you may not put on makeup. Where are you going? Are you going on a date tonight? What? With who? Cora. Sassy Pants. Who are you going on a date with? Does his name start with a B? A B for Beckham.
No.
B for
B-R.
Bridger. Do you think Bridger is cute? Fess up and tell me the truth, little girl. He's like 5 times your age.
Bridger from Not Enough Nelsons. We're gonna have some words with you later this weekend.
Ding, ding, ding! It's time for our next challenge!
This next challenge is a super awesome challenge. I need
You to find, and the last person to find it is out. I need you to find
a blindfold.
Gotta find a blindfold. Find the blindfold. Oh, she's hopping over. Find the blindfold. Find the blindfold. We have one blindfold. Raquel is still safe. Go, go, go. We have one found. Comment down below who you think is gonna be the one out this round. Is it gonna be Clay? Is it gonna be Wyatt? Or is it gonna be Cora that is gonna be out of the last talk challenge and not win the Hershey Kiss? Oh! Clay has brought the blindfold. Next is, that's not a blindfold. That's a phone case. I hear feet, I hear feet. Did he find it? Wyatt found a sock. Wyatt found a sock. Game covered for you? Game covered? It could be game covered or classroom.
Let's see who will win in third and fourth place.
Who are you voting for? Evie.
Who are you voting for?
I am voting for Wyatt.
I'm voting for
Clay
Wyatt.
Wyatt.
Wyatt is in third place. Write that down, please.
Wyatt, deliver it.
Third place.
Cora, did you not find one?
Go.
You did? Those are already taken. Cora, you are eliminated. Did she want this magical blue chocolate ball? Did she want it? Did she want it?
She's coming for it.
She's got it. We have Raquel left, Wyatt, and Clay. Comment down below who you think is gonna win. Okay, if you want this solid Hershey Kiss, you have to sing me a song. Who wants it? Who wants it? Thus giving up.
Sing sweet nightingale. Sing
She
sweet
is
nightingale.
out.
Hey, but here's the thing. I was thoroughly thinking through this. This is thick. The next person that gets out will just get a small treat. So I thought I could get this instead of getting that and risk my chances and still get something. So therefore, I am still winning. Woo!
We're gonna finish this game with rock, paper, scissors style with a twist. We're gonna go rock, paper, scissors, and then when you're about to shoot, you have to get into the position of either the rock, the paper, or the scissors. Paper, now rock, and scissers.
You can talk.
She's coming to whisper.
She's gonna do the splits.
What was that? What was that?
Oh, the holes. See the holes. Ready?
That's a broken pair of scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! 2 rocks. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Oh, Wyatt gets a point for paper. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Oh, Wyatt wins the round.
Raquel is out.
Raquel is cut out. You may talk now. Wyatt! Wyatt wins the Hershey Kiss. Wyatt, you get the Hershey Kiss. Uh-oh, here she comes. Oh, they're still ready. Nope! Stop! Come over here! I think I should have done this one for 24 hours. I like it when they don't talk. Wyatt officially won the Hershey Kiss.
Go ahead. I won the baby Hershey Kiss.
It's actually not the baby. It's like, this is the daddy and that's the mommy and then her baby one's like,
The mom?
let's see how Wyatt chooses to devour his big Hershey Kiss.
Where's that? Where's the stool? Oh, perfect. Now I can smash it in. Whoa! It's like a cave.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
If you like these videos, make sure you go and click on our other Last to Leave videos because we did tons of fun ones and somebody won $1,000.
Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell and more. Huge horses and tiny.
все еще дышишь, значит включи заново, чтобы звучало более пышно, пока адреналин не выжмет из тебя вышку, пока децибелы не станут прожигать лампочки вспышками. Если лимиты превышены, то один эффект, амфиэффект, лови-эффект, пипифтек. Наш диалект способен поломать твои извилины. Без стиля, без усилий, мы лишь вирус на любом носителе. И мы всего лишь 25-й кадр твоего слуха гипнотизируем. Ведь разум подчиняется звукам, и эта мания подобна настоящей магии, что разрывает от начала до конца твое сознание.
One.